Welcome! In this video we will explore some functionalities of Libro 1.0. First of all, let's open Libro, double-clicking on the icon. Here, on the main screen, we have some main functions. Look for a book, insert a book, about Libro, quit Libro. In this release, the More Function button is currently disabled. This will eventually allow you to use functions like inserting a book in the catalogue via its ISBN number. But let's start inserting some books in our catalogue. Let's start with the first example. First of all, we introduce the name of the author. Title. As you may notice, we have two title fields. The second one is used only if the book has a subtitle, and the title plus subtitle goes here, while on the top field we use just the short title. This field is used if our book is a volume in a larger work. Number of pages, year of publication, language, ISBN, publisher. In this case we don't have the city of the publisher, so we introduce just the state. Here we can introduce Dewey class, subclass, and Library of Congress number. Clicking on Proceed, we insert the book in the catalogue. We get this information telling us what the number of the book in the catalogue is and its decimal Dewey reference. Clicking OK, we go back to our main screen. Let's explore some other functionality. Once we have a few books in our catalogue, we can start using the research instrument. Clicking on Look for Book, we are presented with this screen to search the catalogue. We have four main options: search by author, title, books details, Dewey Decimal. Let's start with a search by author. We can use name or surname or just surname. If I click on search, I will get all the results corresponding for this author. If I want to know more, I can click on see, and I will have the full information about this book: catalogue number, library code, author, title, publisher, year, ISBN, pages, and language. If I click back, I'll go back to the search result. If I click close, I'll go back to the main screen. Other functions are available, like looking for a book by title. If I click on title, this field will be activated, while name and surname will become grey. Again, I get the search result, and I can decide to visualize the full information about a book. I can decide to look for a book on the basis of some details. Clicking on details, this field is activated, and I can look through four options: publisher, year, language, ISBN. For example, if I want to look for all the books in my catalogue which are in English, I select language and write English as search word. Clicking on search, I will be presented with all the books in the catalogue which are in English. Looking for decimal Dewey, I can look for class, class and subclass, or the whole signature. So, for example, if I want to see all the books which are in the class 843, I just type 8 for free and click search. Similarly, if I want to be more specific and I want to know which books are in a class 8 for free subclass 914, I can type and click search, and again I am presented with the results. The About Libro button shows some information about the software, version, author, website on which more information is available, and a contact email. To close Libro, we can just click on Quit Libro. Thank you for watching.